Seen blue waters. What does that smell like? I don't know. Hello there. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. On this channel, we share one little spark of life in each and every video. And in today's video, we are going to be sniffing our way through some Bath & Body Works candles. My mom and I decided to place an order together. They came in and I thought, hey, let me film a little haul video. I filmed other hauls. Had a candle haul though. So I've opened up the box. It smells fantastic. Let's dive into these candles. Some of these are going to be fall scented candles. Some of these are going to be all around sort of candles that can be burned even after the holiday seasons have gone. Now, if you do like candle hauls, I will be filming another one, chances are, in the Christmas season because I love, love, love Christmas scented candles. If you, like me, have never ordered a candle from Bath & Body Works from their website, let me just show you before I open it up. I've only ever purchased them from actually in store, but this is what they come in. They come in a nice little box. It says the world's best 3-wick candles guaranteed. And so it feels really nice and sturdy. There's not much room in this box. It also came with some bubble wrap, sort of wrapping all of that together. The first candle that I'm pulling out is one of my mom's choices, and I am in love with this scent. I hope that she loves this scent as well. It's from their Aromatherapy collection, and I've actually used this particular lotion before and fell in love with it. It is Aromatherapy Comfort, and it has the notes of vanilla and patchouli. It's not a sweet vanilla scent at all. The patchouli really mellows it out, and it's like a warm, comforting scent, you know, comfort. So on the channel, I do unbox things, do hauls with you guys, review things, definitely, but this is the first time I've reviewed candles, and I have to say that I feel like the girl on, was it called Scream Queens? Is that what it was called? The one that was set at the university, and that had all the Chanel's in it, and there was like that one girl who, she was a candle vlogger. Yeah, I sort of feel like her right now. All right, so this is another one of my mom's scents. This is a fall scent. It is pumpkin apple, and my mom is very much like me. If you watched my TheraBox unboxing last month, you will have heard me say that I am not the biggest pumpkin fan as far as like candles is concerned. But this one smells really good. She is not either, but she really, really loves this one. It's not a strong pumpkin smell at all. It's sort of an underlying smell, but let me read those scent notes for you. Red Delicious Apple, that is actually the first thing that you get whenever you smell the pumpkin apple candle. So it's Red Delicious Apple, Fall Pumpkin, Fresh Ground Cinnamon, Clove Buds, and Essential Oil. Really and truly, I find that this smells like a really mellowed down version, and maybe it's the pumpkin, but a really mellowed down version of a normal like cinnamon apple Christmassy sort of scent. The third candle is one of my scents, and this is one of my fall scents. Fall, I guess. It's called Cozy Cashmere. I've never smelled this one before, but one, I liked the container. I know that's not how you're supposed to buy, and that's not really how, but just like I like the container. Look at it. It is so simplistic, but this has notes of smooth lavender, warm vanilla, comforting sandalwood. So let's see how this smells. This I think is going to smell good. So the patchouli and vanilla, how I said that it didn't have a sweet scent, this does have a bit of a sweet scent, but it doesn't smell, at least like in the candle, it does not, at least like unlit, it doesn't have a really like spun sugar sweet smell, but I can definitely pick up on the lavender and vanilla. Being lit, I really can't pick up on the sandalwood, but that may be kind of like perfumes, how there's like top, middle, and base notes. That may be like a middle or a base note in it. So the fourth candle is another one of my choices, and I do have to say, so Bath & Body Works specifically, I don't know if they do for all of their candles, but I've noticed this with the fall, with like the seasonal scents, like specifically like the fall and the Christmas scents. It's the same candle base, but just in different containers. And like the name's the same as well. Like they're not trying to like pull a fast one over you or anything like that. Leaves had other containers. I chose this one because it looked very minimalistic to me on the website, but on the website, the container was not this dark brown. So this is what it looks like. It is brown and the top is reflective. I'm not sure how I feel about this. It's a rich scent. It's a rich and warm scent. So this has notes of crisp red apple, golden nectar, and warm clove spice. I like this though. So at first scent, it kind of like got me in the back of the throat almost, like sort of like whenever you, this is gonna sound odd, but whenever you bite into something really, really tart, that like, that's sort of what this gave at first sniff. But I like it. The more that I am smelling it, the more that I am picking up on the apple and the clove. Sort of just smells like an apple pie. I like that. So I noted that I did say while I'm boxing these all back up so that I can take the thumbnail. I know that I did say that these were my favorite candles, and you might be saying, but why? Both the 3-wick candles, which I'm unboxing, and the single wick candles from Bath & Body Works, I love the, I think they're called, I think it's called the throw, the scent throw. Is that what it is called? I've read about scent throws of candles, and that's pretty much like how much scent fills the room, and I like that. So I'm not really expecting a candle to like fill the whole apartment or fill the whole house, the whole space, but I do find that these have a nice strong scent. Most of the time they smell really good, but the thing that I love the most about them is that they burn evenly. I know that I've referenced this in past videos where I do actually talk about candles like my favorite, like in like favorites sort of way. And what I mean by burn evenly, so this is the candle that I'm currently working on. You see how it like, and I know that I can chip this away and put it on like a wax burner, but still, you see how it like there's like a big like canyon dip here. All of this wax is essentially wasted. I like to get my money's worth out of things. So these candles from Bath & Body Works do not do that. As it burns down very, very evenly, and I find that they last a good while. Pretty much if I am at home, there is a candle burning. So I like a candle that can not only burn evenly, smell really good, but lasts for a while, last a good amount of hours. So that explanation done, let's get into the last 2 candles that we ordered. Okay, this is leaves as well. So I forgot, my mom ordered leaves too, but she ordered, now that I see it, it's a prettier container. And I'll show you, I won't smell it again, but this is leaves, part 2. The other container, it has quite literally leaves on it. Hers is different. Okay, so hers is a white candle and mine was a brown candle. Smells exactly the same though. And the final candle is one that I purchased for sort of like an all-around scent, and it is Bergamot Waters. I love the color of the container, that blue color. This candle is so relaxing without being too strong. This would make a fantastic perfume. So if you have been to Disney World and you've stayed in the resorts, this smells a lot like their H2O, the blue H2O, not the Tinkerbell one. Their soap and their lotion and such smells like this. I love it. So this has notes of sparkling bergamot, pristine blue waters. What does that smell like? I don't know. Sugared citrus, creamy sandalwood. So those are our 6 candles that we purchased for our fall Bath & Body Works candle haul. In the comments, if you are a fan of Bath & Body Works candles or just products in general, drop in the comments down below. Let us know what is your go-to scent for candles, body care, little wallflower, little like air freshener thingamabobs. Let us know. Let's all start up a great conversation. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. That helps YouTube to be able to recognize that people enjoyed watching it. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you have not done so already. I would love to have you come and hang out with us every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.